Before you start thinking of making your peanuts, let me quickly show you the ingredients you are supposed to go to the market and buy. Stop thinking too much, stick to my channel and I will show you, give you the list of the ingredients you need to get in the market so that you'll be able to make your peanuts perfectly. So let's go. I'll start by showing you granules. This is granules. This is granules. So please, whenever you are buying your granules, be mindful of the type of granules you are going to buy. Look at this one, very neat granules. Then you have to get flour. Look at it. This is flour, very important. Then you need your baking powder. Baking powder. If you go to the market, all these people selling catering things, you can get them there. You can get the small quantity as small as 100 naira, 200, 300 naira, depending on your area. Then you also need to get milk flavor. Milk flavor, the sachet one, the powdered one. Look at it. This is 100 naira. Milk flavor, the powdered milk flavor. Look at it. You can just screenshot the video and take it to the market and show them this. If you can't remember the name, but the name is milk flavor, powdered milk flavor. Then this one is egg. You'll be needing eggs. Look at it. This is 3 eggs here. You can make use of 2 eggs. You can make use of 3 eggs. You can make use of 4 eggs, depending on the quantity of groundnut you want to put. So, but here we have 3 groundnut, 3 eggs. Then your sugar. Your sugar. So in my next video, I will show you guys the quantity, the measurements we are going to use for all these things. If you are putting 3 cups of groundnut, I will show you the measurement of sugar, flour, egg, the quantity you are going to use. If you are cutting 4 cups of groundnut, I will tell you the quantity of egg, the quantity of sugar to measure out, and the milk flavor to make use of. So another one we have here is salt. We're going to make use of salt. Large quantity of sugar and small quantity of salt. Yes. Then we are still going to make use of the liquid milk flavor. Remember, this is the powdered one, but this is the liquid one. It's not everybody that makes use of this and this together. Some people make use of this only milk flavor, the liquid one. Some people make use of vanilla, the liquid one. Some people make use of only milk flavor like this. It's not must, it's not compulsory that you make use of 2, it's optional. So the last but not the least is this. This is nutmeg seed. I like using the seed because you will use your hand and grate it. You just get a grater and grate it. It will become powdered, to come in powdered form. But if you buy the sachet nutmeg, sometimes they used to mix it other ingredient that you don't know. So it's better for you to get the seed, use your grater and grate it, or use engine and blend it. You understand? So these are the ingredients that you need to get in the market for you to do your peanuts. So check out my next video. I will post all the measurements you are going to use and how to mix your syrup and how to coat the peanut finally. Please, if you find what I'm teaching you interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share to everybody. A lot of people are looking for this type of video, how to do this, how to coat peanuts, what to buy, or how to do this, how to measure. Please don't forget to share the video so that others can as well benefit from this video. Thank you so much.